and I'm back, and today I'm going to be trying the cotton candy blizzard from Dairy Queen. And I've never tried this before, it just came out, and I'm just gonna... It tastes good. I give this a win. I give this a win. I like that. Okay guys, please subscribe and leave a like to this video. And if you want to buy this very delicious blizzard, go to Dairy Queen right now. Thank you guys for watching.